So, good evening everyone, especially to Sergio Jimenez, and I am here to report my assigned task, and this is my report. We will calculate the height of a hill. A surveying team determines the height of a hill by placing a 12-foot pole at the top of the hill and measuring the angles of elevation to the bottom and the top of the pole. They find the angles of elevation to be as shown in the following figure. This is our diagram. This is a hill, and this is the angle of elevation from the surveying team. And the surveying team adds a 12-feet pole to measure the angle of elevation. And the angle of this the angle of elevation is 75 degrees while they are using a pole. And the angle of elevation does not use a pole, has the angle of 75 degrees. And now we need to solve for the height. This is going to be solved. So first thing to do is we need to find the hypotenuse. Why I say hypotenuse? Because we need to look for this angle. And before that, we need to draw just like a diagonal. We need to draw an imaginary line like this to measure the elevation. This is the 90 degrees. So we have the 90 degrees. This 90 degrees has, we need to subtract it for these two angles. We have that 5 degrees. 75 minus 5 is 5. And second one, we need to subtract it by 90 degrees minus 75, because we need to look for this, the hypotenuse. 75, 90 minus 75 will give you the answer of 15. And this is 15 degrees. So we get the angle and the adjacent. So we will use the law of sine for solving the hypotenuse. So A is equal to sine A over, A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. Substitute the value. A, this is the hypotenuse. Sine A is 15 degrees. So this is 15 degrees. And 12 feet. So the pole is 12 feet. Our B, this is the B. 12 feet over sine B, which is 5 degrees. So cross multiplication, we're using the cross multiplication. So we will get the value of A is equal to 12 sine 15 degrees feet over sine 5. So in calculator, we can get the So I would like to remove all of this. So the answer is in calculator 35.64 feet. This is the hypotenuse. This is our hypotenuse. So the second thing you need to do now to calculate the height, which is the opposite. So in calculating the height is, we will use the saw, which means sine over opposite over hypotenuse. So we need to draw the diagram. The hypotenuse, which we solved earlier, has a value of 35.64 feet. And now we are looking for this opposite side. A, B, C. A, B, C. So the opposite is B. So we are looking for B. This is 70 degrees. So we are looking for this. This is 70 degrees. We use this. And 70 degrees, this is 90 degrees. Now we are looking for the height. So we will use the saw because we are looking for the opposite of this angle, sine. So sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So we have a sine 70 degrees. So we'll remove again. We have sine 70 degrees is equal to B over 35.64 feet. So now we need to cross multiply. Get the answer of B equal to 35.64 sine 70 degrees feet. We give you the answer of, in calculator, 33.49 feet. So the height that we are looking for is 33.49 feet. This is the height of the hill. So thanks for listening. Thanks for watching in my video report. Thank you. It's very hard to solve.